Located on the stunning island of Kefalonia, Myrtos Beach is a captivating destination that attracts tourists from all over the world. Renowned for its breathtaking landscape, this beach is often referred to as one of the most beautiful in Greece. One of the best ways to capture the beauty of Myrtos Beach is through aerial photography using a drone. A drone allows you to see the beach from above and appreciate its vastness and picturesque landscape. The picturesque Myrtos Beach boasts crystal-clear turquoise waters and a dramatic cliff backdrop, creating a mesmerizing setting for visitors to enjoy. The contrast between the vibrant blue sea and the white pebbles that cover the beach creates a striking visual appeal. If you are planning a trip to Kefalonia, make sure to include a visit to Myrtos Beach on your itinerary. Whether you are a nature enthusiast or simply seeking a serene beach experience, this hidden paradise promises an unforgettable journey into Greece's natural wonders.